Sendspark has a Chrome extension to easily record yourself, your screen, or yourself over your screen in a floating bubble. So you can just go to the Chrome store and install this. Then you'll be able to pin the Chrome extension. So make sure that you click this little pin next to Sendspark to see it here. And then you can launch it anytime by clicking on this icon. From here, you can choose screen to record just your screen, face to record just your camera, or both to record yourself in a little bubble. It's going to look like this, and you can move it around. I'm also using our desktop app to record this video because you can use the desktop app to record the Chrome extension. But you can just use one or the other or both for different things. One of the reasons I'd recommend starting with the Chrome extension is because, not only is it easy to launch from Chrome by clicking this icon anytime, but you'll also get instant integrations with a lot of other applications you might use. Like, for example, in Gmail, you'll start seeing this icon here to record a new video, insert your last video, or choose from your video library right here in Gmail. And we're able to do this as soon as you have the Chrome extension installed. You'll see it here. Similarly, in LinkedIn and some other platforms, you'll see this icon, and as well, you can record a video and share it faster. So just follow the link below to install it, start recording, and let us know if you have any feedback. All right, cheers.